Happy 4th of July.
Happy 4th.
So we are coming to you from Fort Lauderdale, our hometown. Directly behind us is this big, beautiful yacht called the Musette. And we want to give a big thank you to Hotspots Magazine for inviting us out to go on board the yacht tonight.
Exciting.
See all of the 4th of July fireworks from the waterways. We're going to do a little cruise along the Intercoastal here. Super excited. So yeah, you can see we're all patriotic. We're ready to celebrate the holiday.
And I can hear already some fireworks.
Yeah, fireworks going off already. People are excited. We're excited. We're going to go board. We're going to have a great time, and you guys get to come along with us. So we'll see you soon. Happy 4th, everyone.
Happy 4th of July!
Well, we're on board.
We are.
Us and about 350 other people. Good times. At least we have a breeze now. It's a little warm here in South Florida tonight.
Yeah, but the breeze feels good.
Yeah, it'll be nice. So check out our sail away scenery.
Many hours later.
It's not often we get to walk down the middle of the street here in Las Olas.
No, it's always so crowded. Many cars.
The road is closed. But we're going to dinner.
Not only close, so be careful.
Yes, I see. But Juan Carlos and I we're going to the Cheesecake Factory for dinner. We survived last night, 4th of July. See? Flags are still out, still patriotic.
You're in the Cheesecake Factory.
Yeah. But we're going to have dinner because Juan Carlos is leaving me tomorrow. Aren't you?
I am.
He's leaving me. I'm going to be single for 2 weeks. We haven't been apart from each other since January. I don't know how I'm going to act. But he's flying down to Costa Rica to go stay with his mom while his sister goes to Peru. And then when she gets back from Peru, I'm flying down. And we'll be there for several weeks. So you guys are going to get a lot of vlogs from Costa Rica, which I'm excited about. Anyway, look. Cheesecake Factory. Are you hungry? It's hot outside. Yeah, we're going to go eat. Let's eat. All right, so we're inside the Cheesecake Factory. This is where Juan Carlos wanted to come for his meal before he flies tomorrow, because this is one of his favorite places. And he's getting his usual, the Bang Bang chicken and shrimp, and his favorite appetizer, which is the tamale cakes, which just arrived, so check these out.
My favorite appetizers here are this, tamale cakes, and the avocado egg rolls.
The dish. So anyway, as we said, we survived our 4th of July last night, and the intent was we were going to do a lot of filming on the boat, and we were going to talk to some of the other passengers. But overall, it ended up not being quite what we expected. Although it was a big, like, sort of party yacht, there were like 350 people on board, and the capacity is like 400. And it was 90 plus degrees, and there's only one floor on the boat that had air conditioning. And of course, everybody was trying to cram into that space, which meant literally we were just dripping with sweat. And then we went out up on the upper deck when we started sailing away, and it was just packed and crowded. Just didn't really make for a good vlog. Not to say we didn't enjoy ourselves, but it's something that we will probably never do again, just because it's really not our thing. And I'm not a big fan of crowded spaces. So I would do something like that if it was a more private boat. So anybody out there here in Fort Lauderdale have a private yacht that they want to take us out on? What are your opinions about last night, Amor?
It was fun. I mean, the views were great. The only thing is, there was a lot of people, so it was very noisy. It would have been difficult to make a good vlog. And you know, everybody was on their own thing.
Yeah.
We didn't want to be intrusive, so we'd rather just we're taking some footage of the views, the houses, the river, a little bit of the fireworks, and just had a good time with the friends that we were. That we had in the same table. Mm-hmm. Yeah. So the same. I would do it again if it was not that many people. But
right.
Besides that, I had a good time.
So there you have it. And again, we really appreciate being invited out to go. It was very, very nice of our friend Scott to invite us and Howard. So thank you to them. Because we did overall enjoyed ourselves. The best part was really just standing out, looking at all the beautiful homes on the waterways. And that's one of the things about Fort Lauderdale, by the way, if you've never been here. One of the best things you can do is get on a water taxi, either day or night, and just go around town and look at the beautiful homes and the yachts that are throughout Fort Lauderdale. So for that reason alone, it was worth it, just to see the views. Other than that, we're going to continue with our dinner. Follow up with you guys in a little bit. This is just a quick vlog to give you an update, since he's leaving town tomorrow, and I'm going to be all alone and single. Maybe I have to do a vlog by myself. What will I do? How will you guys react to that? Juan Carlos is showing me this video of his mother with a very scary Pluto somewhere in Costa Rica. Oh my God. And the Bang Bang Chicken has arrived. My chicken Bellagio has arrived. Oh my God, that Pluto with his mother. The things you see sometimes on the streets of Costa Rica. Well, it's no different than if you're in Times Square in New York or in Las Vegas, all of those scary rip-off characters, right? How's your bang bang? Is it banging? Mm-hmm. So we finished our meal. We're outside of the Cheesecake Factory. This little area has been under construction for a while, for like a year. And that on the ground there, they've embedded, looks like koi fish in the concrete, but it's kind of weird because they're elevated. And a lot of people here ride their bikes and the scooters and skateboards and rollerblades, and I can see people tripping over these fish. What you saying?
Those tables are gonna be used on the fall, not now.
Yeah, it's too hot out to eat outside right now. It's the new apartment skyscraper being built. All of this is new in the last 10 years. Yeah, it's nice that this walk path is being built here, though. It's almost like a little park. It takes you over to the new river, which when we were on the boat last night, we came right by here. So we'll show you. Actually, you can see the boat across the river from here. So we'll follow Juan Carlos. There goes a big yacht being towed. I don't know why it's being towed. Probably because Who knows? A little party boat out there. So either the Allegra has no power, or they don't have a boat captain who's skilled enough to drive it through these new river. But as it goes by, if you look right there next to it, that's the boat we were on last night. Did you know that, Amor? We were on that. And that little barge over there going out, that's a little party boat. So this area of Las Olas and the New River is a great place to come. There's lots of little restaurants. Obviously Las Olas we've talked about on the vlog before. But now with this nice walk path out here, it's beautiful. And all these big apartment buildings that they've built here. It certainly would be nice if I'm certainly not a high-rise kind of living person. But if I were, I think it'd be nice to live down here. See? Yeah. Check it out. I'll go way up there. Would you live in one like that?
Yeah, why not?
Yeah, you would? You would miss a yard?
Well, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Of course.
Well, all right, everyone. So that's our quick down and dirty 4th of July, July 5th video here on Las Olas outside of the Cheesecake Factory. You gonna miss me more? Mucho? Mucho? Yeah, I'm gonna miss him too. It's gonna be odd. I mean, we haven't been apart since January. Although we did that a lot over the years, so we'll be fine. So don't worry. But yeah, it's gonna be 2 weeks before I get to join you in Costa Rica. But he'll be fine because he's taking care of Mama, which is good. So, with that being said, as we always say, what do we always say?
Happiness is a lifestyle.
It sure is. And yeah, from Fort Lauderdale to Costa Rica, stay tuned. We got a lot of cool vlogs coming up. Gonna do some cool stuff down there. We appreciate you watching. Hope you had a wonderful 4th of July. And until next time, everyone.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.